If you are confused by Japanese particles, stay right here. In a few minutes, you'll know exactly when to use o and ni so your Japanese sound more natural. Let's get started. Let's start with a very simple idea. Think of o as the things your action hits. Think of ni as the place or goal your action goes to. I will say that again, slowly. O is the thing your action hits. Ni is the place or goal your action goes to. Now let's see this in real Japanese. Hon o yomimasu. I read a book. Here, yomimasu is the action, to read. What does this action hit? It hits hon, the book. So we mark hon with o. Hon o yomimasu. Next example. Mizu o nomimasu. I drink water. The action is nomimasu, to drink. What does the action hit? It hits mizu, the water. Again, we mark mizu with o. Mizu o nomimasu. So the first pattern is very clear. The action hits a thing. The thing gets o. Now let's move to ni. Gakko ni ikimasu. I go to school. The action is ikimasu, to go. Are we hitting the school? No, we are moving toward the school. So gakko is the destination, the goal of the movement. Destination gets ni. Gakko ni ikimasu. Another example. Nihon ni ikimasu. I go to Japan. Again, ikimasu is to go. Nihon is the destination, the place your action goes to. So Nihon takes ni. Nihon ni ikimasu. So the second pattern, if something is your destination or your goal, use ni. Now here is a fun one. Sensei ni aimasu. I meet the teacher. The action is aimasu, to meet. In English, we say meet the teacher, and it feels like the teacher is the object. So many learners want to say sensei o aimasu. But in Japanese, you don't hit the teacher like an object. You go toward the teacher and meet them. The teacher is more like a destination person, so Japanese use ni. Sensei ni aimasu. So again, ask yourself this simple question every time. Is this thing the object that my action is hitting? Then use o. Is this thing the destination, the place, or the person I move or aim toward? Then use ni. Let's do a quick quiz together. I will give you 3 sentences. I will pause and you choose o or ni in your head. Number 1. I drink coffee. Kohi nomimasu. Should it be kohi o nomimasu or kohi ni nomimasu? Kohi o nomimasu. Number 2. I go to the park. Koen ikimasu. Should it be koen o ikimasu or koen ni ikimasu? Yes, koen ni ikimasu. Number 3. I call my friend. Tomodachi denwa shimasu. Should it be tomodachi o denwa shimasu or tomodachi ni denwa shimasu? Yes, tomodachi ni denwa shimasu. How did you do? If you got at least 2 correct, your feeling for o and ni is already improving. Now here's your homework. Write 3 sentences using o where the action clearly hits a thing. For example, I eat sushi. Sushi o tabemasu. I watch movie. Eiga o mimasu. I study Japanese. Nihongo o benkyou shimasu. Then write 3 sentences using ni where you clearly have a destination or target. For example, I go to work. Shigoto ni ikimasu. I go to Tokyo. Tokyo ni ikimasu. I call my mom. Okasan ni denwa shimasu. Put your sentences in the comment and I will check a few and give feedback. This way, you don't just understand the rule, you actually use it. If this lesson helps you stop guessing your particles, remember to like this video and subscribe to Lingo Asia because I'm building full logical system for Japanese particles using the same Venom thinking. And if you are still confused about ni with other particles like de and e, watch my video where I compared ni, de, and e side by side so you can see exactly which one to choose in real sentences. Thank you for watching, keep practicing, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.